Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin or USDT or any cryptocurrency at all on Binance. Okay, so there are a lot of crypto apps or websites you can buy USDT or BTC from, but in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy from Binance. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's get started. So first of all, you have to get this account, which is a Binance account. Make sure you register, you verify everything. Okay, so when you open this, how you're going to see the dashboard. Okay, so you tap on this P2P button over here. In case you don't have the shortcuts here, don't worry, just tap on this yellow button. Okay, when you tap on it, it will give you the shortcut over here, and you just tap on P2P. Okay, so let me tap on P2P. You wait for it to load. Here's where you're going to do all the settings or the filters. Okay, so there are a lot of offers available right now. As you can see, the prices are different. Okay, yeah, so in this case I'm just going to buy 100 cedis worth of USDT. Okay, so I'll enter my payment method. With this one I'm going to use Telecel Cash. You can choose to use MTN mobile money or any other payment method depending on your payment method you're having at the moment. Okay, so I'll go in for Telecel Cash. I'll tap on it, then I'll confirm over here. When I'm done, as you can see, it has changed. It's showing you the offers available with Telecel as their payment method. Okay, then you head over to the amount. Okay, and I'll type in 100. Since I'm buying 100 cedis, then I'll confirm. Okay, so as you can see, the rate has changed again. Okay, so this is the final filter for it. So I'll just head over to, so before we start buying, in case you already have the USDT and you want to sell, just tap on this one, the sell. Okay, and the coins as well, we have USDT, BTC, and a lot, but I'm going for the USDT. Okay, now tap on buy. You choose between this, the rate you think you can afford or the best rate for you. Okay, so I'll tap on buy, and I tap on buy. I'm going to read the seller's instructions. Okay, because I've already dealt with this seller before, I already know his or her instructions, so I'll just go ahead and place the order. Okay, so as you can see, when I pay 100 cedis, I'm going to get $8.36 or USDT. So I'll just tap on place order. Okay, so when you see the dashboard like this, you tap on chat. Okay, so that you can have a conversation with the seller. Okay, in this case you are not going to have any normal hello hi transactions. Okay, conversation. So you go ahead and notify the buyer you are online. Okay, so I'm just send a hello. Okay, so it says Vodafone subscribers only, dial *110#, choose withdrawal, enter agent code. This is the agent code. Okay, enter the exact amount, confirm the name. So this is the agent's name. Okay, so I'll just copy the name. Okay, so 416438, and I'll cut. So I'll just go ahead and make the payment. So I'm going to use my Telecel app. Okay, now I'll tap on my wallet, withdraw cash. Okay, tap on this, and I'll just paste the agent's number. Okay, now enter 100 cedis, since 100 cedis is the amount I'm going to spend for this transaction. Okay, so with the reference, when you are buying, don't type any crypto related reference. Okay, so this one I can just type in my name. Okay, so I'm using Telecel because this is the network I have available at the moment. You can use any other network. So you confirm the seller's information. So as you can see, this is the name. Okay, and when you come to the app too, this is the same name showing. Okay, so I'm just going to confirm my pin and I'll just confirm the payment. So when you get a message like this, screenshot because it's going to be needed. So I'll go back to the app. I think my network is breaking, so I'll just tap on connect. Then I'll tap on view payment details. I'll tap on upload payment proof because I've already paid. I'll tap on this plus sign. Then since I've already screenshotted it, I'll come here. But in case it's on another phone or a proof whereby you're going to use your camera to capture it, you just come here. But I'll go in for this. Then I'll select the payment proof. I'll mark this place. Then I'll tap on transfer, notify seller. So I've paid and I've also marked. So they are going to notify the seller that I already made payment. So let's see our balance. Before we started this transaction, our balance was $78.6. So I come to P2P again. Tap on orders. As you can see, there is a pending order. I've already paid, so I'll just tap on it, go to chat. And I'm waiting for the seller to release the USDT. So you wait a while. So as you can see, the seller has released the USDT, so I've gotten a new interface. Which states the transaction. So as you can see, the user has made the payment. The seller has made the payment successfully. So let's go and check. Let's confirm whether it has been added. So as you can see, I now have 86.96. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you've not, and also like and leave a comment about what you feel about this video. Let me know what you want to learn next in the comment section. Bye.